Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra Sokolova in Mersin Real Estate Agency. We are located in Mersin in the Tomuk district. This flat is in a new complex. The complex is completed with a title deed, with a swimming pool, a hammam and a sauna. Everything you need for a quality holiday, it is available here. 500 meters from the sea, a 2+1 flat with 2 bathrooms, offering a wonderful view of the gardens and mountains. The flat is from an investor, and no one has lived in it. A very attractive price. Give it a like. Let's go have a look. The flat has an entrance hall. And here is a truly genuine, cool, large one. We have tiles here. A beautiful wardrobe in the entrance hall. Such cool, intricate ceilings. Of course, an intercom. We enter the lounge, kitchen, living room, a unified area. The flat is an end apartment with western and northern orientation. Such a stylish, fresh, modern kitchen. Trendy splashback, stone worktop. Plenty of storage space. Space is provided for all appliances. Excellent view of the mountains from any window. Meanwhile, the sea is nearby. The Tomuk area is planned for gasification, so the heating system is already laid out in the flat. Such a cool, large terrace. Some people glaze it, others leave it open. And such a stunning view opens up of the mountains and citrus gardens. Children's bedroom. There is laminate flooring here. Of course, wiring for air conditioners. High, complex. Ceilings are embedded in the walls. Wiring for radiators. Common bathroom. Large wide sink, wall-mounted toilet, bidet function, cabinet, mirror and shower. With such a trendy little tile. Master bedroom. It has a balcony. This balcony is usually used as a utility space. Here we have outlets for both air conditioners and a prospective gas boiler. And in the bedroom, there is a walk-in wardrobe, already with cupboards. Conveniently, in the bedroom, there's no need to build anything. And, of course, a full bathroom. Such an oriental tile. It will remind you that you are in Turkey. With a toilet, sink, mirror, all the essentials are in the bathroom. A good, convenient, practical flat. Write your impression. What do you think of this option? In this complex, in this area, there are many Russian-speaking residents, so you'll have plenty of people to meet, befriend, and communicate with. All the infrastructure is at your feet nearby. A large Migros hypermarket, local shops, pharmacies, a clinic, and so on. Everything is present here as well, and there is a wonderful beach here. I hope this flat has earned your like and comment. Thank you for being here. Till next video. Bye bye.